Alright, I wanted to make a really quick tutorial on how to bulb ramp with the Unleashed by Foolography. So start by, let's open the app and turn on the camera. And the little light on the top is going to go from red to green. When it connects to the camera, it should turn green. There we go. Starts loading all the settings. From here you can change a lot of different stuff, but let's go to auto ramp. So now you get all your settings. Now you have to set and tell it everything you want it to do. So you have your shutter speed, aperture, ISO. So if I change my ISO, I'm gonna have it set to auto. I'm gonna shoot at f2.8, and I think for what this is at, I was just setting it up, so that should be pretty close. You can change the quality, your white balance, all this stuff should be set up. I had it pretty much ready to set up, ready to go. So the interval, duration, algorithm. So for algorithm, let's do LRT modified sunset. Go to that, adjust your exposure compensation. I think I'm going to go to -1. And then my night settings. So this is the max settings that it's going to give you for your night, and then your max settings for your day. So I don't care about pretty much daytime, doesn't matter. I'm leaving everything wide open. Nighttime, I think I'll go to ISO 6400, f2.8, 8 seconds I think will be our max. And should be pretty good right there. And hit go, and it should start taking pictures, which it is. Let's see if I can get after it takes the next one, I'll see what we're at. Perfect. So now this will go for the 3 hours. It's going to tell you the number of photos, tell you how long the clip's going to be in seconds. And one really nice thing is you can close this app out, and the Unleash is still going to run. See here, it's still running my camera. So when I come back, if I want to shut it off sooner, I can just turn this on, and it should reload everything just like it did. See it turn green. Now it's going to reload into the video, or into the time lapse. And it's reloaded. It's already taken 8 shots, so we'll come back and see what we get.